In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show unread count in Gmail tab. Fix today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. And when the quick settings panel appears on the right side of the screen, click See All Settings at the top of the sidebar. This will open the full Gmail settings page where you can access additional configuration options. At the top of the settings page, click the Advanced tab. This section contains extra Gmail features that can be enabled or disabled depending on your preferences. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Unread Message icon. This feature allows Gmail to display the number of unread emails directly on the Browser tab icon. It's a helpful feature because it lets you quickly see how many unread messages you have without needing to open the Gmail tab. In the Unread Message icon section, select the radio button for Enable. Once this feature is enabled, Gmail will show the unread message count on the Gmail tab in your browser. If you have Gmail installed as a progressive web app, the unread count can also appear as an app badge. After enabling the option, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Gmail will reload and apply the new setting. Once the page refreshes, you'll begin seeing the unread email count directly on the Gmail tab whenever you receive new messages. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.